Roll.
On air. Good afternoon, Miss Dayan.
Oh, thank you.
Taray! So, here's our first question.
Oh.
Hindi na tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy pa.
Oh.
Tuntunan na.
Nakasan yung boses mo, Barkas.
What is your biggest mistake in life and what did you do to make it right?
Repeat, please. Okay, repeat.
What is your biggest mistake in life and what did you do to make it right?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
You don't have mistakes in your life, but your personality is like a mistake.
No, it's not.
Don't
like a
you know
mistake.
that?
Look at your face. It's a big mistake.
Oh,
That?
no, I'm beautiful. Yeah.
Don't ever blame others. It's your own mistake.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you are so ugly.
This host is so liar.
So liar.
Liar as what?
Liar as a crocodile. Liar.
You're so inventive.
Yeah. Okay.
Scientist.
You're like a scientist, inventor.
Invented everything.
So here's our second question. The bottom line. Where is your birthplace?
Oh, ikaw kalusuhan mo.
Uy! Mali ka naman eh. Dapat naman. It's a difficult question. It's a third question.
What is your ambition? The third question.
Oh,
The
nice.
bottom line.
Nice question, Boy Abunda.
Ah,
Gold. What is your ambition?
My ambition is I want to be a successful stewardess.
Stewardess.
I want to be famous
Why do you want to be a stewardess?
because I want to travel around the world.
meron bang famous stewardess?
Me.
What? Really?
Maybe in the near future. So, if you were be given a chance to go in some countries, where will it be?
Give me an example.
No.
Wait, I'll repeat my question. If you were be given a chance to go in a special place in other countries, where will it be?
I think in Korea
In Korea, why?
because I want
Why
to
is it so?
visit my father.
Father?
Yes.
Is your father living there? No, he's not. He's living here.
No.
He's just working there.
But I want to go there.
But why?
Because of him.
For what?
To help.
For what reason?
To take care.
Why? Is he sick?
No.
Kimi.
He needs somebody to lead him on.
Why? Are you shoulder? You're not shoulder. You're a person.
Oh, really? Ouch. Where's my hairdresser?
Hairdresser? What hairdresser? Are you rich? You are not rich.
You can't afford.
You can't
Are you
afford.
mad at me?
You can't afford hairdresser.
She's asking you.
Are you
What?
mad at me?
Mad of you? I'm not mad at you.
Come here.
No, I'm not. I'm just explaining. Don't you know it?
Why are you shouting at me?
I just want to. Because I think you're deaf. You can hear.
Yes. Next question.
You only have 30 seconds to go.
The fourth question, the bottom line. Do you think you can succeed in your life?
What?
Do you think you can succeed in your life? Do you think you can succeed in your life?
Tagalogin ko?
Tagalogin ko. Magtatagumpay ka ba sa buhay? Mukhang hindi. Bingi ka.
Yes, I sure. I did.
I did.
I did?
I did.
Wow!
Tapos na, nag-succeed ka na.
I see.
You are so pathetic.
I wish.